If you've ever wondered how small skincare brands suddenly appear everywhere and start selling thousands of units online, this video is for you. The global skincare market surges past $122 billion in 2025 and heads toward $194 billion by 2032. And the fastest growth is coming from small, niche brands offering clean, organic, and problem-specific products. Today, I'll show you how to start your own skincare product manufacturing business from scratch, the machines and raw materials you actually need, the real investment range, and how beginners are launching profitable brands without owning massive factories. Stay till the end because I'll also share marketing strategies and a real-world example who bootstrapped to six-figure revenue in under 2 years. Skincare demand is no longer driven by big brands alone. Consumers are actively searching for natural ingredients, dermatologist-inspired formulas, and locally made products they can trust. Products like face serums, creams, body lotions, sunscreens, and acne solutions are in constant demand across online marketplaces, pharmacies, salons, and clinics. Social media has completely changed buying behavior, where trust and storytelling matter more than brand size. This creates a huge opportunity for small manufacturers to launch focused skincare products and scale step by step. You don't need a large factory to start skincare manufacturing. A clean 200 to 500 square foot room is enough for small batch production. The space must be well ventilated, dust-free, and easy to sanitize. You'll need basic water supply, electricity, stainless steel work tables, storage racks, and proper hygiene practices. Most startups begin with 1 or 2 helpers and outsource testing and certifications initially. If you choose contract manufacturing, you can even start without machines and focus only on branding and marketing. What's your dream skincare product? Comment below. For in-house manufacturing, the core machine is a cream or liquid mixing machine, usually 30 to 100 liters capacity. A small mixer costs around $3,000 to $6,000. A heating and cooling vessel for emulsions ranges between $2,000 to $4,000. For filling, a semi-automatic cream filling machine costs $1,500 to $3,000. Labeling machines are optional at the start and cost around $800 to $1,500. With basic lab tools, containers, and safety equipment, a small production setup can be built within $10,000 to $18,000. A low-scale skincare manufacturing setup typically requires $15,000 to $25,000, including machines, raw materials, packaging, and initial branding. A single batch of 1,000 units may cost $1.5 to $3 per product, depending on ingredients and packaging. These products often sell between $10 to $25 per unit online or through distributors. Even after marketing and platform fees, profit margins usually range between 40 to 65%. Most small brands recover their initial investment within 6 to 12 months if sales are consistent. Register your business and obtain cosmetic manufacturing approval from the local health authority or FDA equivalent body. Product ingredient lists, safety testing, and proper labeling are mandatory. Brand with a story. Farm to Face Glow or Sensitive Skin Sanctuary. Use Canva for minimalist labels. Print eco-friendly waterproof stickers. Package in recyclable glass jars with bamboo lids and QR codes linking to ingredient transparency pages. Feels premium and trustworthy on a budget. Trust and transparency sell skincare more than aggressive advertising. Start marketing before production begins. Create Instagram and TikTok content showing ingredient sourcing, behind-the-scenes mixing, and packaging. Influencer micro-collaborations work extremely well in skincare. List your products on Amazon, Shopify, and local marketplaces. Approach salons, dermatologists, and spas for bulk or white label supply. Film 15-second TikTok/Reels of before-after results or ingredient breakdowns with trending sounds. Pin shop link in bio. Run seasonal glow challenges on IG. Offer 20 to 30% discount on first order. Partner with 5 to 10 nano influencers who have 5,000 to 20,000 followers and are related with the beauty niche by sending free products for authentic reviews. Need help for ingredient suppliers and marketing? Contact us. Focus on one problem solution instead of selling multiple random products. A great example of a niche skincare success is Tribe Skincare, founded by Kayla Houlihan in Australia. Kayla ran a skin clinic before launching her own brand after noticing that many clients with sensitive skin reacted poorly to typical active products. She created a gentle, natural skincare line targeting this underserved market and launched with just 4 products. Within a short time, the brand gained strong customer loyalty, with repeat purchase rates far above industry averages, and began generating multi-million-dollar revenue by focusing on a specific pain point and authentic storytelling, building a community around the brand, and scaling through organic social engagement rather than heavy ad spend. Once demand stabilizes, add new SKUs like night creams or sunscreens. Upgrade to automatic filling machines and invest in better packaging. You can expand into private labeling for clinics and influencers. Using inventory management software and AI-based ad tools helps control costs and scale faster. Consistency in quality and customer feedback is what builds long-term skincare brands. So that's how you can start a skincare product manufacturing business from scratch. With the right formulation, clean branding, and smart marketing, this business has massive growth potential. Most people never start because they think it's complicated, but with the right plan, it's one of the most scalable product businesses today. Comment below which skincare product you'd start with, and check the link to get guidance on machines, formulation, or manufacturing support.